Hi, I'm Martin Mara, and I'm the director of the iMSA program here at the University of Illinois.
Hi, my name is Brooke Elliott, and I'm the head of accountancy.
Hello, my name is Gary Hecht, and I'm the academic director of the iMSA program.
And today we'd like to give you more information about the iMSA program.
The iMSA will put you at the leading edge of the accounting field. You'll not only become an exceptional accounting professional, you'll set the industry standard, and that means you'll be in high demand.
The iMSA is a hands-on and practice-oriented program. In addition to our video lectures, during each week of every course, you will join a live global classroom. You will be involved in give-and-take discussions with faculty, not just listen to us. You will work on real-world accounting problems, not just take notes. And rather than just watch lectures, you will share your ideas and reflect and comment on the ideas of others.
Graduates of the iMSA then join the ranks of one of the most respected networks in accounting and a larger University of Illinois global alumni network of more than 450,000.
The University of Illinois is consistently ranked as one of the top 3 undergraduate, graduate, and doctoral accounting programs in the world. Our faculty are rated #1 on research impact. We have close relationships with each of the Big 4 accounting firms and with practitioners ranging from small firms to the C-suite of major corporations.
In between classes, you will work with classmates on team projects. These projects allow you to delve deeply and apply the material, as well as provide the opportunity to get to know and network with your classmates.
The iMSA is fully online, but highly personal. My team and I are here for you while you're gathering information about the program and during the application process.
Ultimately, the iMSA offers the opportunity to work and network with your peers, the opportunity to learn from and work with University of Illinois senior faculty and high-level practitioners, and the opportunity to learn by doing.
We hope you now have a good overview of our program, and we look forward to seeing you online.
See you in class!